Magnetic Tool Bracelet for Men. The perfect accessory for DIY enthusiasts, mechanics, or anyone who needs quick access to small metal tools. With powerful magnets, this bracelet securely holds screws, nails, and bits, keeping them right at your fingertips. Its adjustable, comfortable fit ensures it stays in place throughout the day, and the durable design guarantees long-lasting use. Whether you're working on a project at home or in the garage, this tool bracelet is your hands-free solution to staying organized and efficient. Smartphone Stabilizer. The perfect tool for capturing smooth professional quality videos on your smartphone. With its magnetic design and portable foldable structure, this stabilizer provides exceptional stability for your recordings, ensuring shake-free footage. Ideal for vloggers, content creators, or anyone looking to improve their smartphone videography, it's lightweight, easy to use, and compatible with a wide range of smartphones. Capture every moment in clear, steady motion with this must-have gadget for on-the-go filming. Soccer Mini Vacuum Cleaner. The versatile, compact, and powerful handheld cordless vacuum is the perfect solution for cleaning every corner. With a brushless motor and 12,000 PA suction power, this product easily removes dirt from keyboards, car seats, and hard-to-reach crevices. Equipped with a washable HEPA filter and a convenient Type-C charging port, this vacuum is not only powerful, but also durable. Its flexible design with multiple attachments makes the Soccer Mini Vacuum Cleaner an essential tool for your car, office, and home. Anova Precision Vacuum Sealer. The ultimate tool for keeping your food fresh and your meals perfectly prepared. This vacuum sealer uses advanced precision technology to remove air and seal your ingredients for sous vide cooking or long-term storage. Compact and easy to use, it's perfect for preserving meats, vegetables, or even delicate items like fish. Whether you're meal prepping, storing leftovers, or cooking sous vide, the Anova Precision Vacuum Sealer ensures maximum freshness and flavor retention. Elevate your culinary experience with this high-performance kitchen gadget. Philips Viva Collection Soup Maker. The perfect kitchen companion for all your blending needs. Featuring a powerful motor and stainless steel blades, this blender effortlessly crushes ice, blends smoothies, and prepares soups and sauces in seconds. With a 1.5-liter capacity and multiple speed settings, it offers versatility for all your recipes. The compact design and easy-to-clean components make it a convenient addition to any kitchen. Elevate your culinary creations with the Philips Daily Collection Blender Blending, made simple, efficient, and stylish. Chef IQ Sense. The smart wireless thermometer, your perfect kitchen assistant to make cooking easier than ever. With its ultra-thin probes and Bluetooth/Wi-Fi technology, you can monitor food temperatures remotely via the mobile app. Designed to withstand heat up to 752 degrees Fahrenheit, it's suitable for all cooking methods, including grilling, frying, and roasting. The accompanying app not only provides real-time alerts, but also offers hundreds of detailed recipes to guide you through creating delicious dishes. The secret to turning your kitchen into a gourmet restaurant. Zhihoo 3-in-1 Charging Station, the ultimate solution to simplify your charging experience. This sleek and compact charging cube supports fast wireless charging for your smartphone, earbuds, and smartwatch all at once. Featuring advanced Qi technology, it ensures safe and efficient charging without the clutter of multiple cables. Perfect for your home, office, or travel, this charging station combines functionality and style to keep your devices charged effortlessly. NuWave Countertop Convection Oven. Revolutionize your cooking with this versatile and energy-efficient countertop oven. Featuring advanced convection technology, it cooks your favorite meals faster and more evenly while retaining flavor and moisture. With multiple cooking modes including bake, broil, roast, and air fry, this oven is perfect for preparing everything from crispy fries to juicy roasts. Its compact design saves space, and the easy-to-use controls make it ideal for any kitchen. iTruso Electric Warming Tray. Elevate your dining experience with this sleek and practical warming tray. Featuring advanced nanomaterial technology, it maintains your meals at the perfect serving temperature for hours. The spacious design accommodates multiple dishes, making it ideal for family, dinners, parties, or holiday feasts. With adjustable temperature settings and an energy-efficient build, It ensures convenience and sustainability, compact and stylish. Goski Monocular Telescope. Experience the world in stunning detail with this high-definition monocular. Designed for outdoor enthusiasts, birdwatchers, and travelers, this compact and portable telescope features a powerful 12 by 55 magnification that brings distant objects up close with crystal clarity. Equipped with a smartphone adapter, it lets you capture breathtaking photos and videos with ease. Built to withstand the elements, the durable design is waterproof, fog-proof, and shock-proof, making it perfect for any adventure. Click on the description below the video to get the product link. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to receive more exciting product recommendations. Thank you for watching, and happy shopping!